Wahl has created the new standard of home haircutting with the Elite Pro high-performance haircutting kit. The Elite Pro is built with our finest blades, best guide combs, and most powerful motor. The new self-sharpening precision ground blades cut all types of hair 40% faster than our standard blades and stay sharper longer for smooth, snag-free haircuts. This kit also includes a full set of easy, mistake-free guide combs that can be stored in the handy nylon storage bag and come with stainless steel attachment clips that securely fasten to the clipper, large ID nameplates for easy-to-see comb size identification, and are made with premium-grade material that is 70% stronger than our standard guide combs. The new durable, long-lasting motor has 15% more power than Wahl's POWERDRIVE motor and comes with a lifetime warranty. The Elite Pro also features an industrial-grade power cord and comes with a handle storage case, barber shears with protective blade guard, large styling comb, cord wrap, barber cape, and other accessories that help give you a premium haircut at home. Pick up your Elite Pro high-performance haircutting kit today. Wahl, the brand used by professionals since 1919.